Alright, so look. Apparently I did. I almost forgot the best thing about the papaya because I told you I haven't really opened it like that. I gotta slice it through the middle so you can look at it. I'm doing this with one hand while holding the camera, so I can do it. Okay. Oh, 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 oh. Yo, you see that? The little things, bro. Oh, I thought they were like flat seeds, bro. Holy cow, bro. Hold on, I'm gonna flip back to it, bro. Bro, I thought these are like flat seeds, yo. Yo, man. Me, I say that, man. Yeah, they eatable? Edible. Edible. Eatable. Put eatable in the comment. Oh, alright. Yeah, definitely don't got no flavor, man. Whoop. Yeah, I'm gonna have to escape this and I'm gonna end up seeing it. We'll see if it grows or not, because we'll never know with them. If they ever, what's their process with their fruit or not. Even though it grows in a tropical place, even though America's a tropical continent. But it has been tainted, how you say? And tainted. But what you guys seeing on the, probably saw on the other side was over there was acorn squash. Probably doing a video on that. But gotta wait. Because I gotta film this and I gotta do other stuff. And I already started, so. But it's cool. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. You guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you guys can do that. Got that link for you in the description box. Hey. And also, too, get with our courses and get our gear down in the description box, okay? Peace, love, and light.